Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I decorated my small apartment on a budget. So this year I opted out from having a Christmas tree because I have nowhere to store it. And I'm not a fan of real Christmas trees because I've never had it growing up. And I'm kind of scared of the pines because of my pup. So I'm going to show you how I actually decorated everything under $80. This was a challenge from my fiance and I think I did pretty well. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so just because this was done on a budget, that doesn't mean I skipped the high-end stores. I basically shopped at Cost Plus World Market, Pier 1, and Michael's. Most of my items were purchased at Pier 1 because they have an awesome sale going on. It was buy one, get one 50% off, and their wreaths were 30% off. In the bathroom, I'm going to use these pieces to decorate this area and create a story. So I removed the shelf and lined it with white parchment paper. So pretty much the parchment paper helps so that if there are any gaps, it blends in properly. And also when I clean up later, all the fake snow won't fall everywhere and make a huge mess. Once the shelf is lined with the white parchment paper, I cover the entire shelf with the fake snow. And the lantern was the star of this ensemble. It lights up, which is great because at night sometimes I bump into things trying to get to the bathroom, so this can guide my way to using the bathroom at night. I changed my hand soap holder to a Christmas themed one. For the kitchen area, I did use a lot of pieces I already owned. The centerpiece was the naughty or nice sign. That was the focal point, so I decorated around that. I just took this, to me, what looks like a vine, and ran it up that little panel on the wall. I pretty much, here you'll see me use tape, regular tape. Do not use regular tape. I had to switch them out with command strips because that was a much stronger hold. The regular tape was not strong enough and things ended up falling down. So I do recommend using command strips. The last piece that I did add was the bird because it brings back the feeling of nature into this ensemble too. So the last place that I decorated was in my living room on top of the media console. So this is the biggest ensemble that I'm going to create for my Christmas decor. So I already own this garland, but they're pretty inexpensive at Michael's. And again, Michael's do have the 50% off all Christmas and or holiday decor. All I did was bend the garland to create almost like a squiggly line on top of the media console. And what I did was take Christmas lights in a warm color, of course, to give it that ambiance. And I wrapped it around the garland. Once I fluffed it out enough and I liked what I saw and it was big and fluffy, I pretty much used snow in a can and I sprayed certain areas to create the illusion of fake snow. Once I was done spraying it, I added all of my other pieces of decor to fill in the gaps and to make it look a lot more full. So the last item I'm adding to this ensemble is pretty much this scene of a cabin in the woods. I picked this up from World Market and it also has lights on there. So that wraps up the video, guys. Please give me a thumbs up because it was not easy trying to stay under budget. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below on some items that you use to decorate your home for the holidays. Until next video, thank you for watching.